Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon!
Good afternoon, BIKOLANO. We are now for our battle for things. Kasama niyo pa yung winners. I am Christina para maghatid po sa inyo ng magandang aksyon. At talagang itong ating dalawang kupulan para sa ating battle for third. It is UNC-TRIFIT NAGA versus DIEZ FALCONS.
USA FALCONS versus the UNC-TRIFIT. So, both teams talagang napakaganda ng laro dito sa ating liga but fell short para makapasok sa ating championship match. But again, this is very important for both teams to have a podium finish para dito sa kauna-unahang season ng Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup.
And of course, maganda din po yung naging journey ng USI FALCONS and UNC-TRIFIT from elimination round, semi-finals. Ang ganda po ng nilaban ng ating dalawang kupunan na ito. At itong battle for third talagang gagawan pa rin nila ng paraan para makuha yung kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya titinan natin kung sino nga ba dito sa ating dalawang kupunan, USI FALCONS and UNC-TRIFIT, kung sino ang ating maging second runner-up.
Yan ang aabangan natin, Tin, dito sa unang match ng ating Saturday Basketball Jump Pack action dito sa OBL Elavil Cup. So, yun nga, both teams talagang gustong makuha itong ating third place dito sa OBL Elavil Cup Season 1. So, pag-usapan natin, Tin, ang dalawang kupunan. When it comes to USI FALCONS, nasabi nga dito na sila yung nagmistulang dark horse para sa ating liga. Pero yun nga, medyo kinapos. But still, importante ito para sa kanilang kupunan para maging ikatatlo sa pinakamalalakas na basketball team dito sa BICOL. And now on the other side of things, you have the UNC-TRIFIT. Alam naman natin kung paano maglaro itong sila Caronan, Patyansel, and all of their teams na talaga namang ibibigay ang lahat para manalo dito sa araw na ito.
Let us all rise and let the OPL Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals Series kick off with unity and reverence. And solidas, in the invocation, let us welcome Oragon Sports TV Senior Courtside Reporter, Miss Carla Casulia.
Let us all stand. Let us bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord and the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Father, we come here before you today with grateful hearts, thankful for the journey that has led us to this moment, the finals of Oragon Basketball League. Thank you for the strength, determination, and unity that have brought our teams this far. As we step onto the court today, we ask for your guidance. Grant us focus, clarity, and sportsmanship. Help each player to compete with honor, respect, and integrity, putting their heart into every play and their trust in your will. Protect every athlete, coaches, officials, and support from home. Let this game be a celebration of hard work, teamwork, and the joy of the sport. Win or lose, may we honor you in our efforts and in our conduct. Bless our community. May this event bring inspiration, unity, and pride to all who witness it. In your holy name we pray, Amen. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit, Amen. Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, pero sa silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka lang magiting, sa manlulupig. Di ka pasisiin sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bugaw. May dinagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw na kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhatit pagsinta, tumalangit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Bikolan ka! Ano? Mawag ka? Prepare your hearts and steady your screens. The fire is about to begin. This is OBL Elavil Cup Season 1 Battle for Thirds, the USI Falcons versus the UNC-TRIFIT NAGA!
Ayan. On your screen, we have the USI Falcons. Their first five. We have Posada, Doloso, Quejano, Ravalo, and Del Rosario. On the other side of things, we have Taugan, Garcia, Batiancela, Sakido,
And Basinas on the
Yes.
side of UNC-TRIFIT. Now this is the first quarter for our battle for third. Now this is an exciting game between UNC-TRIFIT NAGA and USI Falcons because doon lang sa nangyaring laban dito ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA against NCF Tigers. Maganda yung kanilang pinakita dito pero they fall short. But this time talagang ngayon titingnan natin kung ano pa yung ipapakita dito ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. And on the other side, USI Falcons, it was a nerve-wracking game against Ateneo Golden Knights. Konti na lang at mapupunta na sana sila sa finals or championship round of Oragon Basketball League, but they also fall short on that one. Kaya naman ngayon for our battle for third, anong gagawin dito ng ating dalawang kupunan para makuha yung kanilang second runner-up for the season of OBL?
Yes, yan ang malaking question dito sa ating araw na ito. Kanino mapupunta itong ating third place sa OBL Season 1? Now, first point will go on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. But Doloso stealing that one, passing it to Ravalo. And now Del Rosario, what a pass and what a point conversion para dito sa USI Falcons to tide this matchup.
Yes, and as you can see, still no coach to pay on the side of USI Falcons. And also, wala din dito si Asibor sa side ng USI Falcons. So let's see kung ano yung pagbabago dito na gagawin ni Coach Jeffrey, the assistant coach of USI Falcons, to maintain the kind of momentum na pinakita nila during that last game nung kanilang semi-final matchup against Ateneo Golden Knights. Now let's see here, TRFIT NAGA.
Ayan, and to hear more about the side of UNC-TRIFIT, let's call our courtside reporter, Casey. Hi, Casey. Anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. And marhay na daw, Oragons! All eyes are on the court today as we brace ourselves for a thrilling showdown in the battle for a battle of third spot for Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup 2025. This is Casey Anchokya bringing you exclusive updates on the side of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Bagamat natalo sila sa kanilang huling laro, hindi pa tapos ang laban para sa UNC-TRIFIT. According to Coach Herman, if they could describe their journey this season, it would be underdog. They've been undermanned all throughout the season, ngunit sa kabila nito, their culture stood strong with a solid brotherhood and commitment to the team. For this game, the team aims for redemption. With a mindset of everybody wants to win, they want to prove that they deserve to be here. But with everything on the line and pressure mounting, will heart, hustle, and brotherhood be enough to carry them to victory? Yan ang ating aabangan maya-maya lamang, kaya manatiling nakatutok dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ang ating UNC-TRIFIT NAGA dito sa laban nila against USI Falcons. The communication, connection ng mga players yung kanilang gagawin dito to really fight well for this battle for third. And now, 4-7 on our scoreboard, a 3-point lead of UNC. Now, let's see here, once again with their ball possession. But Kinsella passes to Sakido. 18 seconds to shoot. Taugan, papasok sa loob. Still no good here. An opportunity for USI Falcons.
Posada on the right corner, unsuccessful. Now Taugan getting that ball on their side, but Yancela ngayon on his own version of 3, nothing but the net. Napakalinis ng 3 puntos na binitawan doon ni Bat Yancela. And now 10-4 is our score. Wow, great start on the side of UNC-TRIFIT.
Now, Falcons on the offense. Veloso passes to Ravalo. Denied. Now, TRIFIT NAGA. Look at that connection. Sakido! One hand para dyan. Napakagandang assist. Galing dito sa kanyang teammate, brought to us by Mariano Optical. Now, another opportunity for UNC-TRIFIT. Now, Masinas. No good. Second chance point. Still no good here. Falcons on the run. 5 minutes and 51. But a whistle foul there. Napakaganda ng pinapakitang performance dito. And as we remembered, this lineup of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA, talagang maganda yung performance na pinakita nila. Most especially Masinas and Taugan sa laro nila against NCF Tigers. But right now, titignan natin kung anong gagawin ng USI Falcons na ngayon talagang 8 yung kalamangan na nagawa ng UNC-TRIFIT dito sa ating first quarter pa lamang.
Yes. At napatawag nga dito ng maagang timeout. Or actually, hindi naman kasi nasa 5 minutes and 48 seconds na tayo ng laro. So, napatawag ng timeout dito ang kanilang koponan because of the gameplay na ipinapakita dito ng ating UNC-TRIFIT. And para mapakinggan natin dito yung gagawing adjustment on the side of USI Falcons to win this battle for third match, let's call our courtside reporter, Chen. Hi, Chen. Kumusta? Anong balita dyan?
Marhay na pagkahapon, Rick and Tien, at
Panibagong Sabado, panibagong bakbakan nga dito sa Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. At matapos nga ang kanilang makapanindig balahibong laban against the Ateneo Golden Knights, ngayon naman ay mas nagkakasakal na depensa ang kanilang gagawin because according to Coach Pops, the opponent is the attacking team. Kaya naman this game ay defense ang kanilang concern this time. Hindi rin magiging hadlang ang kabawasan ng players dahil kahit 11 players lang sila ay ipapakita at papatunayan nila what the USI Falcons is. Kaya naman manatiling nakatutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Once again, and this is Chen Shaira Nicolas. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. Ayan, nabanggit na nga ni Chen dito. Kulang yung mga players on the side of USI Falcons. At nakikita naman natin, Asibor will not enter this game against UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. But the defense is the concern here on their side. Kaya titignan natin kung anong gagawin nila para paigtingin yan for this matchup. Now, look. With that defensive rebound, Quijano tries. That's good.
So yan ang nabanggit nga dito na kulang yung players on the side of USI Falcons. So someone should step up para dito sa kanilang kupunan para ma-fill yung shoes na nawala on their side. And kitang-kita nga natin dito na paunti-unti binubura dito yung kalabang hawak ng TRIFIT.
And also, kitang-kita din naman natin itong mga players ng USI Falcons. Pinangungunahan dito ni Doloso. Ang ganda ng performance na pinakita nila during that fight against Ateneo Golden Knights. Most especially Lok Burse, na talagang a big revelation on that game. Ang ganda ng performance na pinakita nila from the start of first quarter up until the end. Now, for this matchup against UNC-TRIFIT NAGA, ito na yung sinasabi natin na kailangan nila mag-step up for the team if they really want to go home with a win this afternoon. Now Falcons on the offense. Let's see. Tries. That's a three-pointer coming from Burse. And here he comes again, Burse. Ito yung nagpaula ng tres during that fight last week. And now, nagpaparamdam na naman siya ulit dito. Let's see. Anong sasagot ng TRIFIT? No good. Another opportunity here. Burse. Ooh, denied by Sakido. But a whistled foul there. So Sakido will be on that free throw line for 2 shots.
Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. The rejection para dito kay Sakido. Now Burse on that free throw line to add their point here. Successful. Let's see on his second try para dito sa kanilang kupunan to lessen the gap na hawak dito ng ating UNC-TRIFIT. 17-13. 2 shots was good on the side of Falcons. And now UNC-TRIFIT on the offense. But Yancela heavily guarded here by Burse. Sakido, mid-range jumper and successful. And now Burse getting that ball on their side. But a foul was called on the side of TRIFIT, courtesy of Batyancela on that last sequence. And now Locke to inbound. Great defense para dito sa UNC-TRIFIT. 14 more seconds on the shot clock para dito sa Falcons.
Now, look. 12 seconds to shoot here. Passes on the inside. Babalik ito kay Burse. Look at that defense of TRIFIT. Look. Titira. At ngayon, 1 puntos na lamang po ang hinahabol ng USI Falcons. Now, let's see anong gagawin dito ng TRIFIT para hindi mahabol yan tawagan. 15 to shoot. That's good para dito sa ating UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Palitan lang ng puntos para dito sa ating first quarter. 2 minutes and 57 seconds remaining.
Now, team expect na magiging dikit ang bakbakan between these two teams. Now, an attempt, no good. Doloso andon for that offensive rebound, pero hindi nakapasok yung attempt na yon. Now, Batiancela, itatawid ang bola on their side. Look at that connection, team. Wow. Grabe. Pinasok yung depensa on the side of USI Falcons to get that 2 points on the side of UNC-TRIFIT and stealing that ball. Samahan pa yun ng layup ni Masinas. Wow. Again, UNC-TRIFIT with that back-to-back points.
Ito yung sinasabi dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT na talagang isa sa magiging focus nila ngayon is yung magiging connection ng kanilang mga players, and very visible. First quarter pa lang, ang ganda na ng communication ng mga players dito, at medyo nahihirapan nga ang Falcons dyan with that kind of communication and defense na pinapakita ng UNC-TRIFIT, and even with the absence of the head coach, Coach Miggy. Ngayon, si Coach Herman ang tumatayo dito on the side of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA, and we can see that good gameplay of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Kanina, isa na lang yung hinahabol ng Falcons, pero ngayon, pinalawang muli ng TRIFIT. That's yung pambawi dito ng Falcons. Look, on the other side for 3. No good.
Villaflor, nakakapasok pa lamang. Passing ito sa Kido. And Sakido with that 3-pointers. Wow. Again, the connection between the players on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Medyo hirap ditong basahin itong Falcons. Ang galaw ng UNC-TRIFIT. Lock. Bantay sarado. Passing it to Burse. And a foul was whistled para dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT. As Locke will inbound this ball. 26-16 is our score.
I think this is the biggest gap we have for our first quarter. Double-digit lead of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Now with only 14 seconds to shoot here on the side of USI Falcons. As Locke will inbound that ball. And look at that kind of defense of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Nahihirapan pumasok sa loob itong Falcons and to execute a good gameplay. Now, 14 seconds on the shot clock of Falcons. Look to inbound. Looking for his teammate. Now, Doloso. Passes to Burse. Burse. Long 3, no good. Now, TRIFIT on the offense. Togan. Sa loob, daming bantay.
No good. USA Falcons has the chance to add their score here. The ball remain on the side of USA Falcons. 57 seconds remaining for this first quarter, and a couple of substitutions on the side of USA Falcons. And now, nasa penalty side na itong UNC-TRIFIT. Burse, successful on that first attempt. One more time for him. And that's good. 26-18 is our score. Villaflor, itatawid ang bola sa side ng TRIFIT.
52 seconds remaining here. Togan. Heavily guarded. Passes to Masinas. No good. Sakido. Wala pa rin. One more time. Still no good here. On the side of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. 35 seconds remaining here. Del Rosario passes to Locke. Back to Del Rosario. Now Del Rosario. Di-anta na yung mga gwardiya dyan sa baba. Dire-diretso. Ito yung performance na lagi natin nakikita with Del Rosario.
And now, Tin, naibaba na lamang sa 6 points ang kailangang habulin dito ng USI Falcons. 14 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. And now, USI Falcons again on the offense. Batangas to Del Rosario. Heavily guarded here. Looking for that point and successful on that attempt. 22-26. And that's the end of our first quarter. Our final score sa unang quarter na ito, 26-22 pabor on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. We'll be right back for more actions only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
And we are back for the second quarter match of this UNC-TRIFIT NAGA and USI FALCONS. During that first quarter of this game, napakaganda po nung ibinigay na laro dito ng dalawang kupunan on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. The connection of the players, the defense, kitang-kita. While on the other side, USI FALCONS, medyo nahihirapan sila on that first part of the first quarter, but still, nung halfway na tayo ng quarter, doon naging smooth yung kanilang nagawang gameplay. Most especially on that remaining seconds, it is Del Rosario with that 4 straight points. Kaya maganda yung simula dito ng second quarter for the side of USI FALCONS. At unang puntos nga para sa quarter nito galing kay Lok. On our screen, kitang-kita natin one of the key players of USI FALCONS for this league. Now, let's see, anong pambawi dito ng TRIFIT? No good. 25-26 an opportunity for Falcons to get that cup. Pero, a traveling violation committed on the side of Falcons here. Now, Villaflor to inbound sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA.
And now, look at the score. 25-26, just 1 point lead ang hawak on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Now, chance for them to widen the gap, but unsuccessful in that attempt. Del Rosario will take this ball on their side. Ciruelas to Lok, an attempt for 3, no good. Offensive rebound, back-to-back offensive rebound, and after that 2-time attempt, makakakuha na dito ng puntos itong si Burse. And now, Berse rather, and now, lamang na dito ng isang puntos ang kupunan ng USI FALCONS.
Basket count with a foul. Let's see it. Our instant replay brought to us by Agenda Trading and Safe Gas Station. Ngayon, on that free throw line, Batyan Sala, mabilis binawi ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. But still, this second quarter, it's looking good for the side of USI FALCONS. So let's see if this will continue. Kukunin ba nila ang quarter na to? The momentum na nakita natin doon sa mga huling laro ng USI FALCONS. And to hear an update on the side of FALCONS, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, take it away.
Well, thank you, Rick and Tian. During the huddle, the players' orders to double their effort. Now they have to make sure to do the fast recovery. They are also reminded to expand their energy and read the situation. And this quarter, the Falcons should respond soundly to the call of duty, which is to anchor the offense and to provide the biggest defense that they can show into this game. Yan lamang, and I'll be back for more updates.
Ayan, thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun nga, after that first quarter, itong USI Falcons talagang binili na ng kanilang coach na kailangang paigtingin ang kanilang depensa and siguraduhin na makakapasok ang every offense na bibitawan nila. And at this moment, I think sinusunod naman ito ng side ng USA Falcons and they get the 1-point lead on the side of their team. 29-28 is our score. 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. And of course, this is not possible without our dearest sponsors. We have the Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safe Gas, DELIGOLD Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, NAGA College Foundation Incorporated, Bounce Academy NAGA, MNL KINGPIN CAMSUR, MARIANO OPTICAL, MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3N Bakery, TRDV Construction and Supply, GILMAR CASA, DESCANSO, ARCO, DIEZ, and Bonnie and PIGGY Distributors. Thank you so much for your overwhelming support para dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup.
Now, back to the ball game here. 29-28 with a 1-point lead of USI Falcons. Stogan, a good 3 points coming from him. Now, let's see. Babawi dito ng Falcons. Berse passes to Doloso. Now on the other side, Lok. Smooth the point para dito sa Falcons. At para makarinig tayo ng update on the side of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA, here comes Casey. At babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Now, Falcons with 19 seconds to shoot here. Lok for 3 points, no good. Berse. Babalik kay Lok. Ngayon, nagkakagawan dito, UNC-TRIFIT NAGA with that ball. Now, Batyansela. At babalikan na po natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey kung anong balita on the side of TRIFIT NAGA. Casey, anong balita natin dyan?
The team is looking on fire today, Rick and Tien, dahil sa kanilang on-point offenses during the early minutes of the first quarter. Plus, they managed to establish a 4-point lead against the USI Falcons. For the second quarter, the team aims to maintain their momentum, widen the gap, and avoid unnecessary fouls, especially since they're short on players. Kailangan nga talaga nilang i-build ang kalamangan while they still have the advantage, dahil if foul trouble sets in, it might be harder for them to keep control of the game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update. So yun, napakinggan nga natin dito. Actually, both teams talagang parehas lang dito yung goal nila na dapat on point yung defense and of course, walang papalyang opensa para sa dalawang kupunan to secure their lead. But look at that scoreboard, 31-all, first deadlock of the match. So again, nabanggit ko na kanina na mag-expect tayo ng dikit na laban para dito sa ating battle for third match. Now, mag-shoutout naman tayo din sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Engineer Mario Villanueva, kay Karen K. Escaro at kay Aljan Pogoy. Thank you so much po and happy watching.
Ayan, maraming salamat po. At syempre, aabangan pa rin po ng ating mga viewers, ng ating audience, dahil mamaya po ang ating finals game 1 between these two team dito sa Oragon Basketball League, NAGA College Foundation Tigers and Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights. Isang magandang laban po ang ating mapapanood mamaya. But right now, it is USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT NAGA with this intense matchup. Second quarter deadlock, 31-all. 6 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Now let's see here as we continue this intense matchup as the officials still reviewing that last sequence. Now let's see.
Again, pasalamatan natin din ang ating mga sponsors. We have the BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks, NOLCAST Construction and Supply, HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies, MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken, Nike Factory Store, NAGA, Nonoy Magtuto, DLP Printing Services, Carcido Motors, JB Hard Tires and Supply, and of course, City Hoops, NAGA. Thank you so much po.
Hello. I-double technical. Yung itawag dito sa parehong players on the side of USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Now, look to inbound. Batangas. Now Quijano with this ball. Defense of UNC-TRIFIT still naka-intact dito. Del Rosario. No good. Masinas with that rebound. TRIFIT on the offense side. Dire-diretso passes to Sakido. No good. Sayang sana yun sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. But also with that defense of Falcons. And right now, look. No good on that three-point attempt.
Festin with the ball on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, passing it to Villaflor for 3 pero hindi pumasok. And now chance for the USA Falcons here to get the lead. But a whistle coming from our referee here. The ball will go or will stay on the side of USA Falcons. Jersey number 14, Masinas, with his foul on that last sequence. And now Doloso to inbound para dito sa side ng USA Falcons, passing it to Posada. Ravalo taking his time and passing it to Doloso with that three-point attempt, in and out ball, and doon si Masinas for that rebound.
We are still stuck with the deadlock 31 all. Batiansala passes to Festin. 15 to shoot here. Now Villaflor recorded here. Babalik dito kay Batiansala. Tries for a three-pointer, still no good here. Masinas, offensive rebound, but Quijano getting that ball. Rosario goes inside. That's good para dito sa Falcons.
Now, the lead is on the side of USA Falcons. What would be the answer on the side of UNC-TRIFIT? Sakido, no good on that attempt. USA Falcons, para madagdagan sana dito yung kanilang puntos or yung kanilang kalamangan, but strong pass, out of bounds ball. Ball possession will go on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. 4 minutes and 21 seconds remaining for our first half. Batiansela, itatawid ng bola para sa kanilang kupunan. Forcing that one. Wala pa din. And the ball possession will go on the side of Falcons.
Now, UNC-TRIFIT NAGA, kanina pa sila sa puntos na 31 points. They need to step up right now. 4 minutes and 8 remaining for our second quarter. And an opportunity for USI Falcons to widen that gap. Let's see here as Posada with this ball. Passes to Ciruelos. Now 18 to shoot. Ravalo. Mid-range jumper. No good. Too short for that one. Ngayon, nagmamadali dito on the side of UNC. Basket count with a foul. Para dito kay Masinas.
And with that last point coming from Masinas, we are all tied up at 33. And let's see kung makukuha ba ulit dito ng UNC ang kalamangan. And 1 point lead will go on the side of their team, 34-33. Warning for penalty ang ating USA Falcons. Great defense again on the side of UNC. Muntik pang maagawan dito. Posada to inbound, guarded by Festin. And now, Quijano to Ravalo. Taking their time here with 10 seconds to shoot. Ravalo forcing that one in and successful on that layup.
Now TRIFIT NAGA on the offense side. Taugan, heavily guarded here. Papasok ulit sa loob. And a whistled foul. So he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. 35-34, 3 minutes and 3 ang natitira para sa ating second quarter. First free throw was good. Now let's see. For that second free throw off Taugan, you're still deadlock on 35. Ngayon na ipasok yung pangalawang free throw. A point lead of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Let's see here. On the side of QSI Falcons. Posada. Guarded by Fustine. 14 to shoot. Now Deloso. Hindi pa rin nakapahinto ng UNC-TRIFIT yung ganyang depensa. And a traveling violation committed on the side of USI Falcons. But let's see here as we continue this ball game. Kung anong gagawin dito ng dalawang kupunan para humiwalay dyan sa napaka-intense at napakagandang laban para dito sa ating second quarter. Now, Festine to inbound. But Yansela with that ball. Now, Taugan against Del Rosario, but still here. Ravalo, nagmamadali. Natawagan nga dyan ng foul. Si Masinas. That's the 13th foul of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Wala on the other side, penalty na itong USI Falcons. Ravalo for 2 free throws. That's good for his first free throw. Now, second free throw of Ravalo. No good. 36 all again. Another deadlock. TRIFIT. Taugan. Another steal coming from Ciruelos. No good on that one para dito kay Ravalo. Kia the big man. Tries, no good. Sakido. Dumasinas, libreng libre on the other side. And that fast break is brought to us by DELIGOLD Philippines. Now Purse babawi. But Del Rosario is there. Medyo tahimik lang dito sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Itong si Taugan. But still, a good game coming from UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Sakido. Ball will stay on the side of UNC-TRIFIT as a foul was called on jersey number 5, Ciruelos, on the side of USI Falcons. Now Sakido will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. 1 minute and 35 seconds dito sa ating first half. First free throw was good. See here as we continue. 38-39. That's good para dito sa pangalawa. Sakido. Now an opportunity to tie the game again for USI Falcons or even take on the lead. Del Rosario loses that ball. So that will be a turnover for UNC-TRIFIT. Lost opportunity on their side here. Now, Batiansela magtatawid ng bola dito sa side ng TRIFIT NAGA. 20 seconds to shoot here. Batiansela passes to Taugan. 2 steps behind, no good. Now look. Pero Sakido was there to get it. And the basket for UNC-TRIFIT. Dahil dyan patawag nga po ng timeout itong USI Falcons. 38-42. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Ngayon yung UNC-TRIFIT, maganda yung ipinapakita dito sa ating second quarter. Kung kanina, during that first minute of our second quarter, medyo naglaylo sila pero binalik nila yung magandang momentum because look at that game highlights. from the side of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. And this game highlights is brought to us by 3N Bakery. Now, back to the ball game here.
38-42 ang ating naiwang score after the timeout. A minute and 5 seconds para dito sa ating first half. Ayun, back to the ball game. And the ball possession goes on the side of USA Falcons. Chance for them to lessen the gap na hawak ngayon ng UNC-TRIFIT.
The Falcons on the offense here. Ravalo, 38-42, 4 na puntos ang hinahabol nila dito. Lock passes to Berse. Heavily guarded by Garcia. Na Burse on the other side of Rosario. Pero medyo malakas yung pagkakapasa dito ni Del Rosario. So another lost opportunity here. 49 seconds remaining. UNC-TRIFIT. Nasa kanila yung momentum dito. Sa huling segundo ng ating first half, Sakiro passes to Batiansala now. 13 to shoot. Batiansala, heavily guarded here, loses that ball. Now Falcons on the run here. Look on the other side. Bulse tries, no good. And that ball will stay on the side of Falcons here with only 29 seconds. They need this point. So every ball possession counts on the side of USI Falcons as well as on the side of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Lock passes to Deloso for a 3. No good. And this time it will go on the side of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Last session. 38-42. Batiansala passes to Sakido. No good. Deloso now with 9 seconds to shoot. Look goes inside. That's good. Ngayon na ibaba sa dalawa ng Falcons at dyan po nagtatapos ang ating first half, 40-42 in favor of USI Falcons. We will be back for more actions only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation and I'm tired of all of this high school. He's cool, he's not rap shit. Should a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the NAGA College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At NAGA College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career.
And we are back for the second half of the battle for third para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan, USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Now, iniwan po natin ang ating first half with 40-42 in favor of UNC-TRIFIT. But right now, as we enter the third quarter, Ravalo with that strong three-pointer. Talagang with conviction on the side of USI Falcons. Now they get that 1-point lead. Anong sagot dito ng TRIFIT? No good. Now, another opportunity for Falcons here. Ravalo passes to Doloso. 17 to shoot. Ravalo once again with the ball. Ngayon, Burse naman. Passes to Berse. Down to 8. Heavily guarded here. Double team. Doloso on the other side. Ravalo loses it. At naubusan na nga po ng shot clock dito on the side of USI Falcons. Grabe yung defense ang pinapakita dito ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Talagang up until the third quarter, they are upgrading the defense that they have. Now on the offense, let's see. No good. Falcons on the run.
Wala pa din dito, Tin. On the side of UNC-TRIFIT. And now Doloso and Berse. Mabibitawan yung ball on the side of their team. So the ball possession will go on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Now, kung gustong makakuha dito ng kalamangan on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, kailangang on point dito yung kanilang bibitawang opensa. Garcia goes inside, unsuccessful, and Doloso with that rebound para dito sa ating USI Falcons side. And to hear an update sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT, let's call our courtside reporter, KZ. Hi, KZ. Anong balita dyan?
Nagsimula na nga ang mainit na girian ng ating dalawang koponan, Rick and Tin, dahil di kanilang puntos ang gustong patalo. Despite being undermanned for the last, UNC-TRIFIT is determined to win this game. They managed to secure the lead, but they have to keep their defense tight because we are now on the crucial part of the game. One wrong move at maaaring magbago ang ikot ng laro. The team have to keep their and connection to ensure a smooth gameplay on the court. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Casey, for that update na sabi niya nga dito, one wrong move on the side of UNC-TRIFIT na magbabago. And as we can see right now, USI Falcons getting that 5-point lead against UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Now a bonus free throw here with Burse. Ngayon talagang bilog ang bola for this battle for third. At 6 na nga po yung naigawa dito ng USI Falcons. Kaya napatawag po ng timeout itong UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Ano kayang gagawin nila ditong adjustment dahil nakuha ng USI Falcons yung momentum sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. But kudos to that defense of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. And doon pa rin medyo nahihirapan yung Falcons pero nakakalusot na sila doon sa depensa ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. So let's see after this timeout, anong gagawin nitong kupunan ng TRIFIT NAGA to lessen that gap and bring back the momentum that they have during that first half of the game. And to hear the update on the side of USI Falcons, we have Chan. Hi Chan, take it away.
Well, thank you, Rick and T. Nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa ating battle for third. Only here at Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. It is a decent start nga for our USI Falcons dito sa second quarter of the game. But Coach Pops commended the boys na bilisan ang bawat galaw dahil nakukulangan ito sa pinapakitang galaw ng players. They have to focus on defense to execute the properly, mag-communicate at naging consistent sa kanilang energy na ipinapakita sa loob ng hard court. Yan lamang, balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. So yun nga, fast play ang kailangan or ang hinahanap dito ni Coach Pops on the side of USA Falcons, and very evident at this moment, hindi nasasabayan dito ng UNC-TRIFIT yung mabibilis na pasa at galaw nitong USA Falcons. That's why look at that scoreboard, 51-42. The table has turned on the side of the Falcons. So let's see kung magiging consistent ba dito ang kanilang kupunan, or will the UNC-TRIFIT clutch this one at makuha ulit ang kalamangan on their side. But Toloso with that beautiful tres on the side of their team to strengthen their lead para dito sa ating pangatlong quarter. So everything goes well para sa kanilang kupunan. Taugan unsuccessful, pero offensive rebound coming from Masinas on that right corner for 3, no good. At yun nga, whistle coming from our referee here, so the ball possession will stay on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. You know what, napakaganda dito ng inilaro nitong ating USA Falcons after that timeout called by Coach Pops. And we can hear from the update on their side na yung kailangan lang naman ditong gawin ng USA Falcons is yung bilisan yung galaw sa loob ng court, magandang pasa, and of course, on point na opensa na yun yung nagtatranslate at this moment on their side. That's why nakuha nila dito ang kalamangan. So, great adjustment at nabasa nga dito yung opensang ginagawa ng UNC-TRIFIT. But, Sakido, with that basket, samahan pa yun ng foul. Let's see kung ito na ba yung hinihintay ditong sign ng ating UNC-TRIFIT to turn the tables on their side at makakuha ulit ng magandang sunod-sunod na puntos.
And with that instant free play brought to us by Anjana Trading, Safe Gas Station, Sakido, and of course, nandito na po sa loob ng NCF covered court ang president ng NCF, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva. At syempre, aabangan yung laban po mamaya ng NCF Tigers at Ateneo Golden Knights is bakbakan po. Pero as we can see right now, bakbakan para dito sa USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Patuloy yung magandang momentum on the side of USI Falcons. This third quarter, talagang nandoon sa side ng Falcons. Let's see, anong pansagot dito ng TRIFIT NAGA. Masinas, no good. One more time, Sakido. Basket count with a foul. Just like kanina. Another bonus free throw para dito kay Sakido.
So far, so good for Sakido on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. Unsuccessful. And now, Ravalo passing it to Deloso. Let's see kung madadagdagan ba dito yung kanilang kalamangan. Wow. Napakaganda ng outside shooting ngayon on the side of USI Falcons. Dito sa ating pangatlong quarter, I believe nakakailang 3-pointers na ito on the side of their team. Pero babawi din dito si Taugan with his own version of 3. So ito yung hinahanap dito ng fans for both teams. Yung palitan ng magagandang opensa, and we know na capable itong dalawang kupunan na ito on point conversion. But Doloso, Burse, tag team for that beautiful outside shooting on the side of their team. That's why kahit nagkakaroon ng puntos dito ang TRIFIT, linalayo pa rin ang score ng side ng Falcons with that beautiful 3 points. And now, chance for them to add their lead. Quijano, no good. One more time for him. Wala pa din, but on that third attempt, successful on that last sequence.
Now, this is the kind of performance that we've seen during that fight against Ateneo Golden Knights at binabalik ulit ng USI Falcons. The excitement, the outside shooting, the defense is right there. 63-50 on our scoreboard. That's a big 13-point lead coming from their team. Now, Ravalo, another opportunity for Falcons here. Burse once again. 16 seconds to shoot here. But a foul para dito kay Sakido. 4 minutes and 1 second remaining para dito sa ating third quarter.
And of course, quick shoutout para sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout dito kay Eddie San Jose Hakub, Christian Ivan Pasigan, Aljan Adayo at kay JM Acido. Thank you so much for watching.
Yan, shoutout din kay Janaila Basales, Jameson Brenya, James Angelo Gabarda at Kim Monteroso. And also, Marniela Berido and Erica De Lima. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Now, Ravalo, another free throw. That's good. Now, the big 14-point lead here of USI Falcons. 4-minute mark. Anong bawi dito ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA? Festin. Passes to Garcia. 18 to shoot. Back to Matiansala. Down to 14 seconds. Now, Taugan. Papasok sa loob. But a whistled foul. So he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. Even free throws importante sa side ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Now a warning for penalty on the side of USI Falcons for 14th foul on their side. First free throw, no good. Now let's see for the second free throw of Taugan.
And Team UNC-TRIFIT having difficulty when it comes to their offense, but narinig ata tayo dito ni Taugan at naipasok yung pangalawang attempt on their side. So 1 point was added on their side. And of course, congratulations to all the let passer. And of course, sa miyembro ng Oragon Sports TV, Eliza Faith Respeto, Mark Christian Amante, and Eliza David for passing the let examination. Congratulations, ma'am and sirs.
Yes, congratulations sa lahat na nakapasa. But back to the ballgame here. 3 minutes and 14. UNC-TRIFIT NAGA on the offense. Of course, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. Rick, we have Mangpok Skinalas, Just Star Trading, JB Hart, Carcido Motors, Kuya Boy Halo Halo, Green Plaza Food and Restaurant, ProAds Graphic and Science Mary's Coffee, Chef Buster Cuisine, and Chicken Run. Now, UNC-TRIFIT NAGA, ball possession, but Sala. Look at that defense of Falcons. Pass to Festin. Now Festin goes inside, getting that basket with a foul. So Festin. Festin will be on that free throw line for a bonus free throw here. 64-53. That's good, making it just a 10-point lead of USI Falcons. 2 minutes and 56 on the record.
Burse heavily guarded by Batiansela. Passing it to Del Rosario and Festin with that heavy guards. Baita, and now Burse with that mid-range jumper. No good. Offensive rebound para dito sa USA Falcons. No whistle. So the ball possession will go on the side of USA Falcons. 13 more seconds on the shot clock.
Zeruelos to inbound. Now with that 13 seconds, Baita once again nakuha na ng bola dito ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA, but instead a long pass. Loses it. Naburse, nagmamadali dito. Now down Rosario, double team, and he gets it.
Wow. Pinasok yung depensa on the side of USA Falcons. What a move. And a whistle coming from our referee here. Jersey number 17 with that foul. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. 66-54 is our score in favor on the side of USA Falcons. And a couple of substitution for both teams. But Yancela, they need to grab every opportunity on the side of their team, but unsuccessful in that first try.
Now 2 minutes and 2 para dito sa ating third quarter. Now the officials Now, jersey number 3, Batiansala, a warning for delaying the game here. Now, USA Falcons on the offense. Posada, 1 minute and 57. Heavily guarded here, passes to Baita. Gains 15, now 14 to shoot. Look, passes to Ciruelos. Back to Look now. It's stepping on the line. That will be a turnover. An opportunity for UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. 66-55. Now, TRIFIT NAGA, Taugan. Papasok sa loob. Passes to his teammate, no good. The Falcons on the offense. Pero the ball will go onto the side of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Deloso back on the court here. Festine. 23 on the shot clock here, but Hinsala. Pass to the other side, Taugan. Babalik dito kay Batiansala for 3. No good. Nagkakaagawan dito, offensive rebound. Now, Taugan once again. Passes to Batiansala. But a whistled foul. Para dito kay Lok. 52 remaining for our third quarter. Very crucial para dito sa side ng dalawang kupunan. Now, Batiansala for his first free throw. That's good. Now let's see for his second free throw here. 66-56. No good. Deloso with that rebound. USA Falcons, Del Rosario. Passes to Posada. Back to Deloso. Down to 11 seconds to shoot here. Del Rosario mid-range. That's good. Naipasok pa dito. Now last 30 seconds of the quarter before we proceed to the fourth and final quarter of this battle for third of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA and USA Falcons. Taugan for 3. Still no good. Talagang tahimik sa outside shooting itong si Taugan for this matchup. Now Falcons with 14 seconds. Del Rosario have regarded here. Passes to Ciruelos. And that's a clean basket. Now for that last sequence with Taugan, the officials will review that last sequence. 70-56 in favor of USI Falcons.
So before anything else, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Lemon Zone, Clay Pot Restaurant and Cafe, Anytime Fitness NAGA, Superb Cuts and Soul, KD Sportswear, Skytech Advertising, Crown Park Restaurant, Crown Hotel, Home Pet, Think Pro Incorporated, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laud del Dagon Siruma, Glass House Beach Resort, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Stan Dental Clinic, VTC Massage and Spa, Nick Z Shop, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Mary's Coffee, Rhodes Graphic and Science, Green Plaza Food and Restaurant, Kuya Boy Halo Halo, Carcido Motors, JB Hart, Just Star Trading, and Mangkok's Kinalas. Thank you so much po and happy watching.
Yan, we only have 4 seconds sa ating third quarter. Still a big gap of USI Falcons. Let's see here with that final call of our referees.
Beautiful comeback team para dito sa ating USA Falcons.
Yes, but with that review of the officials, unsportsmanlike foul yung itatawag dito kay jersey number 29, Taugan, on the side of the UNC-TRIFIT. So that will be a free throw from the side of USI Falcons.
Again, USA Falcons, hindi binibitawan dito yung kalamangang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. With this 4 seconds, let's see kung madadagdagan pa ba dito ang 70 points na hawak ng kanilang kupunan. Again, our officials.
Jersey number 29 of UNC, one unsportsmanlike foul and one technical foul out of the play court.
At ayan nga po, one unsportsmanlike foul, one technical foul, and out of the playing court yung itatawag dito kay jersey number 29 on that last sequence, Taugan. So with the absence of Taugan, the adjustment on the side of UNC-TRIFIT Naga, let's see. Pero during the first quarter, up until dito sa third quarter, medyo tahimik dito sa Taugan on the offense side. But sa depensa ng UNC-TRIFIT Naga, malaki yung tulong na naigawa niya dito. But with his absence, let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng kupunan ng UNC-TRIFIT Naga. Now, Falcons, 3 seconds to shoot. At naubusan na nga ng oras. That's the end of our third quarter, 71-56. We'll be back for our fourth and final quarter of the game.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon! Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
And we are back for the fourth and final quarter of this battle for third at USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. And now, running score is 71-56 in favor of USI Falcons. Can they get the win this afternoon and continue this kind of momentum? And as we start the fourth quarter, first basket on the side of USI Falcons. Kudos para dito kay Siruelos. Now let's see ang pambawi dito ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA dahil medyo tahimik yung kanilang scoring sa third quarter. But yan Sala ending it with a three-pointer here. Now, Falcons, still a lot of opportunity for UNC-TRIFIT. No good on that attempt coming from BIDA. Now, TRIFIT passes here to Villaflor. Now,
Sakido with that steal on the side of their team. And with one-hand layup, Sakido successful. Back-to-back point conversion on the side of UNC Greyhounds. If they really want to win this battle for third match, they need to double their effort because this is the final stretch for both teams. 61-73 chance for the UNC-TRIFIT here to add or lessen the gap na hawak ngayon ng Falcons, and Sakido leading their team. Now, USI Falcons, what would be the adjustment and the answer on their side? Siruelos to Doloso, taking their time here. 10 seconds to shoot. Doloso to Baita. 5 more seconds. And three-pointer attempt, unsuccessful. And a great steal coming from Festin. And now chance for their team to add their score here, but no good para sa layup na yon. Del Rosario to Baita. And a whistle coming from our referee here. 73-62. Foul was called on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, courtesy of Festin. And now Baita on that free throw opportunity sa side ng Falcons.
and to hear an update on the side of USI Falcons, we have our courtside reporter, Chan. Hi, Chan. Anong balita natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Rick and Tin. We are now on the fourth and last quarter of the game. At muli ngang nakuha ng USI Falcons ang kalamangan. Kaya naman they need to keep communicating, keep that effort going, and push even harder. Ibibigay at ilalaban nga nila ang kanilang all-out na galing para dito sa last quarter of the game. They are going to tighten their defense because defense is the best offense. Kaya naman manatiling nakatutok dito lang sa nag-iisang liga ng mga Oragon. Yan lamang, balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update. Indeed, defense is the best offense para dito sa ating match. That's why they need to strengthen their defense para mahirapan ditong umupensa ang ating UNC-TRIFIT. And now, another point conversion coming from Posada. 3-pointers coming from him.
Now, 7-10. Now we're time. But Kinsella again for a 3-pointer, no good. Now, USI Falcons once again on the offense side, still adding a point here. But that kind of defense coming from UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. So it will be a turnover.
76-64 is our score, and still UNC ang naghahabol dito sa ating laro. And now Festin, may hawak ng bola. Passing it to Villaflor. And now Masinas goes inside, heavily guarded here. But basket count, samahan pa yun ng foul on the side of UNC-TRIFIT. A much needed point conversion on their side. 6 minutes and 39 seconds remaining para dito sa ating match. And to know more about the adjustment on the side of UNC-TRIFIT, kung paano pa mahahabol dito ang kalamang hawak ng Falcons, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Hi Casey, how are you and what's your update?
Rick and Tino, we are now down on the last stretch of the game at naungasan na nga ng USI Falcons ang UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Now the team needs to dig deep and find that extra push in order for them na makahabol at bumawi upang masungkit ang panalo. Sa kabila ng pagod, they have to regain their momentum by playing as a team and capitalize on every opportunity, especially now that they've encountered a setback with Kentaugan being out of the playing court. This is the last quarter at maya-maya lamang nga ay malalaman na natin kung sino ang magwawagi bilang second runner-up. Kaya manatiling nakatutok dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Once again, this is Casey Anchoquia. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, this is the last quarter, 6 minutes and 6. Mahaba pa po ito para dito sa ating battle for third. Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari sa UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. They just need to tighten their defense, go for a good offense, and nasabi nga dito ni Casey yung absence ni Taugan on their side. Right now, importante siya sa kanilang depensa, pero gagawa na paraan niya ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. So titingnan natin yung adjustment pa na kailangan nilang gawin dito. 78-67, ang dami mo pong pwedeng mangyari. Kayang-kaya pang mahabol to ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. So USI Falcons, kailangan nilang mas paigtingin yung kanilang performance dito against the UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Now, UNC on the offense, Akido, 15 seconds to shoot here. Regarded here, passes to Batiensala. 8 seconds to shoot, Batiensala papasok sa loob and he gets it. At ngayon nga po, paunti-unti nang kinukuha ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA yung kalamangan ng Falcons. That's just a 9-point lead of USI Falcons. So every ball possession counts for both teams. But a traveling violation committed on the side of Falcons. Dahil dyan, oportunidad para sa UNC-TRIFIT NAGA to still lessen that gap.
Very crucial on the side of Falcons, even though they have the lead para dito sa ating natitirang 5 minutes and 20 seconds, but they cannot afford to give a ball possession to their opponents because look at this. Another point conversion coming from Sakido at mapapatawag ng timeout si Coach Pops to clear things up on the side of the USI Falcons. 78-71. Oh, wow. Sabi mo nga kanina, Tin, malayo-layo pa itong 5 minutes na ito on our match. And both teams need to strive harder for them to get this battle for third match. Yan ang aabangan natin dito after this timeout. 78-71, hindi nagkakalayo ang ating score. So kung kanina tinakuha dito ng USI Falcons ang sunod-sunod na opensa, but at this moment, UNC-TRIFIT slowly but surely cutting the lead just in 7 points para dito sa ating laro. So wow, great hustle on the side of their team.
So let's see as we continue this ball game if Falcons can continue to defend that gap against UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. The Rosario, 22 to shoot. Ravalo to Burse. Burse papasok sa loob, no good. Now, offensive rebound, Doloso, wala pa rin. And Quijano for the third time getting that basket. That's a good point para dito sa Falcons. Let's see, ano pambawi dito ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Most especially sila yung naghahabol dito. Taugan, or Villaflor rather, passes to Batiensala for 3. Sayang para dyan sa outside shooting ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. 4 minutes and 30, 80-71. Still a 9-point lead here. Quijano, 15 to shoot on the other side. Rosario, that's good. Still a clean basket.
So this time, after the timeout called by Coach Pops, nabuhayan ulit dito ang USI Falcons with that back-to-back points. And let's see kung anong pangbawi dito ng UNC-TRIFIT. Offensive rebound on their side. Villaflor will foul for 3. Unsuccessful. Quijano gets that one on their side. And Burse, libreng-libre with that layup on their side. So +2 para dito sa kanilang kupunan.
binalik muli ng USI Falcons yung ganong momentum na nakita natin during the third quarter. Now, Sakiro passes to Villaflor, but loses it. Still, a ball possession of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Fastine. With 12 seconds to shoot. But the miscommunication on her team here. 3 minutes and 25 on our game clock, 84-71. 13-point lead of Falcons. Still a long run here. So, let's see kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayong hapon na ito.
And of course, don't miss out the game 1 of our finals maya-maya right after this match. NCF Tigers versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. Live na live pa rin dito sa Oragon Sports TV, and of course NCF Covered Court for more live actions. Talagang aabangan natin maya-maya ang bakbakan dito sa dalawang kupunan. And miscommunication on the side of USI Falcons, and with that, UNC-TRIFIT has the chance to cut the lead para dito sa kanilang kupunan. And now, Batyan Sela taking his time here, looking for his teammate, passing it to Sakido. Long pass and a great steal coming from Burse on that last sequence. Itatawid ang bola on their side. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining for this match. Doloso passing it to Ravalo, taking their time here.
Now Ravalo to Doloso. No good. And that ball will go onto the side of UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. 2 minutes and 23, 84-71. Can UNC-TRIFIT lessen that gap in just remaining minutes? That is 13-point lead of USI Falcons. Now let's see here. Fastine passes to Batiansela. Batiansela with the bola for TRIFIT NAGA. Papasok sa loob now. Step back for a 3. No good. Now Ravalo with that rebound. Falcons on the offense. Back to Ravalo, now Doloso. 3-point line, no good. Sakino with that rebound. This is the last 2 minutes of this battle for third of USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. Now a whistled foul. Ravalo may foul dito, so 2 free throws will be given to Sakino. With this remaining 1 minute and 54, kakayanin pa kaya ng UNC-TRIFIT NAGA na habulin ang puntos na yan against USI Falcons, regain their momentum, and go home with the win. Second free throw was good para dito kay Sakino. 12 pa yung kailangang habulin ng UNC-TRIFIT. Still Falcons on the offense. Look. Passes to Burse. Hanap dito ng papasahan. Back to Look. 9 seconds to shoot. Doloso. Passes to Burse. 12 seconds to shoot here. Anong gagawin ng Falcons? Passes to Perse. Still no good here. Doloso getting that basket in the remaining second of that shot clock.
Wow, great adjustment coming from Doloso. And now, back to their side ang ball possession. Wow, USI Falcons. Napakaganda ng nilaro para dito sa ating battle for third match and 3-pointer. Or rather 2. Long 2 for Burse on that last sequence. Last 45 seconds of this match. 89-72 is our score.
Now, mahihirapan na yung UNC-TRIFIT NAGA with this remaining seconds, and they're just waiting for that final buzzer. 88-72. It is a great fight between USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT NAGA. A good performance coming from their players. Of course, dito sa side ng USI Falcons, Ang ganda pa rin nung ibinigay nilang laban. Walang tapon para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And look at that! The final buzzer is in. 88-72 our final score in favor of USI Falcons, naming them as the second runner-up of the season of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. It is a great match between these two teams. Para sa mga fans ng USI Falcons and UNC-TRIFIT NAGA, can't wait to see them again for our Season 2 of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Again, congratulations for both teams, most especially for our second runner-up, USI Falcons. At of course, maya-maya lamang, makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon! Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Once again, Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 second runner-up, USI Falcons!
Up next, Game 1 of the Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1 Finals. NCF Tigers versus Ateneo de NAGA Golden Knights.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
It's DJ Rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing his high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap?
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon!
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Here comes our best player of the game, jersey number 25, Elrenz Del Rosario with 18 points, 13 rebounds, and 3 assists. Now, Elrenz, anong pakiramdam ng USI Falcons ang nakakuha ng second runner-up for this season of OBL?
Yun po, sobrang saya siyempre. Pinagpaguran namin to kasi galing kami sa 2 talo. And yun, nag-usap-usap kami na hindi na kami magpapatalo. Yung gagawin na namin yung lahat para manalo po.
So it was a crucial match between UNC-TRIFIT, NAGA, and USI Falcons. Ano ba yung ginawa ng kupunan nyo para makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito?
Ayun po, nagsakripisyo kami, halos di na kami nagbakasyon. Nag-ensayo lang kami. And yun, nangako kaming USI team na kukunin naman yung panalo ngayon. And syempre, kila coach din na laging nandiyan na nakasupport sa amin.
And with your journey dito sa OBL, ang daming nagtiwala sa USI Falcons, ang daming naniwala doon sa opportunity ibinigay ninyo. Now it is your time to shout out all your fans po.
Shout out siyempre, unang-una sa USI community. And syempre sa teammates ko. And siyempre sa family ko na laging nandyan. And syempre kay coach din na laging nandyan nakasuporta. At nagbibigay ng tiwala.
Yes, again, that's our best player of the game, jersey number 25, Elrenz Del Rosario. At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, meron kang voucher na 200 pesos from Kuya Boy Halo Halo and gift certificate from Safe Gas Station. Again, congratulations, and that's our best player of the game.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
At yan nga po ang ating best player of the game for the side of USI Falcons, Elrenz Del Rosario. Again, congratulations po sa ating USI Falcons as our second runner-up for this season of Oragon Basketball League. Pero aabangan pa po natin ngayong gabing ito ang ating finals game 1. Of course, kasama niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Canso-Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta. Don't miss the beautiful Game 1 of the finals dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon!